Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle. If you guys have a Kia vehicle and you need to remove or replace AC condensers, stay with us and we'll explain the basics, what to expect, how to remove the condenser, can you do it without removing the radiator, and all that stuff will be explained. Actually, there are most of the time two different ways to do that. One is removing the condenser with the radiator, but if you go that route, it's really complicated due to the fact that you need to drain the cooling system, you need to make sure everything's cool so you don't get hurt by hot coolant, then you need to fill the cooling system, you need to bleed it because otherwise you can overheat your engine on your Kia and that could be expensive guys. So in this video we will explain how you can replace the condenser only without removing a radiator on most Kia vehicles. It should be helpful on quite a few Kia models, and some of those it may be helpful on Kia Optima, Forte Sportage Sorento, Kia Rio and Kia Soul as well. So let's explain how to do that now. So as I said, this should work on multiple models Kia. Now let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you guys, free videos. Now if you need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. And another thing guys, check out our main YouTube channel. It's called How to Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars on future repairs, so check it out, subscribe. We're constantly pumping new content. So we have that 2013 Kia that we will demonstrate on. Let's explain now guys. This is the AC condenser. The front radiator, the very front one, is always known as the AC condenser, the big one. In some cases you may have little radiators for power steering, transmission sometimes, but in most of the times on Kia you have a big AC condenser and then you have the regular radiator on the back side. We have the radiator fan to show you what it looks like. The fan is removed so we can access it guys, but check this thing out, how you can remove the condenser only. On most Kia vehicles you need to remove the front grille or the bumper. In our case, without removing the bumper it's not possible. Once you guys remove the bumper, what you need to do, make sure that actually guys the AC system does not have any pressure. If your condenser is broken, leaked out, probably you don't have pressure, but always put a gauge to feel the system, check if you have pressure. Also, I'll recommend guys, if you have pressure, take it to a shop, they'll vacuum the freon out, so you have no pressure at all, an empty system. Otherwise, if you release it in the atmosphere, you can get a huge fine for that. Once you make sure that you don't have freon, you need to remove, we have two nuts here. So let's go ahead, remove them. One holds the high pressure, one the low pressure line. We'll remove those, one is out. Second one now, perfect. These ones, sometimes they may be stuck guys, they may be stuck, but because you have O-rings, once you get them going, they should come out, no problem, perfect. Now, how do you guys disconnect the AC condenser from the radiator? We'll explain about that in a little bit, but in most cases, if you have a radiator support in the middle here like that, you need to remove it. And how we can do that? We need to actually remove, the hood latch. Once we do that, we can simply remove that support here. Let's go ahead, do that. In some cases, you may have one or two bolts on the bottom. In some cases, you may be able to pull the condenser out without removing it all the way, but I'll recommend to just get it loose. Like that, and it just comes out. Check it out. Now, some AC condensers attached to the radiator, with screws or bolts. Some you have plastic clips like this one that you need to spread and pull it out. We have two of them on each side. Let me explain. One here, one over there. So if we pry out, but not to break them, and push the condenser up at the same time to come out of that tooth, it comes out of the clips. And on the back side here, sometimes if you have that thing here, you cannot reach all the way for the second clip, only one of them. So what I'll do it through the back side here. Right now we are ready. We can pull it up all the way to come out of the radiator, then bring it down, and after that gently start pulling the pipes out there and pull it up. And you can see that guy's condenser is out of there on a Kia vehicle. That's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. If you need to buy one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.